X Games is definitely one of the biggest events. You know, they have a huge reach out to all the media and ESPN, and they do a great job covering it. And I think it's really cool for snowboarding to be a part of this.
The media here is insane. It's really important to do your best here. I just feel like it's such a big deal with the TV production and everything, and I guess it gets me really excited. Gotta stay focused and try and land my stuff and see how it goes. I'm excited for this contest. It's a big one for me, so I'm ready. It all comes crashing down. The biggest contest for me in the whole season, well it is, I know that for a fact, and do the runs I came here to do and win the gold, it's like a dream come true, man. Had a lot of pressure on me this year after doing it last year, and with the whole like me versus Sean thing, it got a little crazy, but I'm stoked I could stay on my game and do what I came here to do.
Make some noise for Mark McMorris!
I would be really stoked to be the World Snowboard Tour champion in slopestyle this year. I hope I'm gonna get first in the next weeks.